what's going on everybody? In this tutorial we are going to see how to change the font weight and font style in XHTML and using XHTML and CSS. Okay, now let's go ahead and see that. First of all, okay, we have created style already, and then we have head and then body. Inside the body I'm going to type something. I type, first of all, let's say I'm going to type unordered list and order list. Unordered list, in that one, okay, I finished it on with \ul unordered list, and then inside of this unordered list I'm going to type something. Let's say to type something in unordered list we put li, this is for list, and then inside the list finish it with the \li, and inside the list I'm going to type something like unordered list. And then I'm going to create order list, ol, finish it with \ol, \ol, and then inside the order list I'm going to create a list called order list. It's exactly the same as unordered list, so I copy this one, paste it right here, and then change the name into order list. I remove the un and I put order list. Okay, and if you remember, I already taught you guys about unordered list or order list. Unordered list is basically you will get whatever you type inside of the unordered list with a dot mark, you know, like a star kind. It's a dot, and in the order list instead of dot you will get a number. That's all. Let's go and run this one. Okay, I save this one as u.html, and then I save it on desktop. It's here, it should be here. Okay, it's here. And when I run this, okay, I forgot to do one thing. We are getting all this heady stuff because I didn't remove the top part. I should remove, you know, whenever if you are coding and using Mac and text edit, remove the top part first. Format, make plain text, so it will appear nice when you run the code. Okay, I serve it again as ULI, okay, just some name HTML, and I serve it again. It's here. Okay, I use HTML and run this. Here you can see the difference between unordered list and ordered list. Unordered list comes with a dot. Okay, whatever you type within unordered list, it's come with a dot, unordered list, and order list, but it comes with a number, 1.order list. Okay, that's the difference between unordered list and order list. Here we are going to see the font weight and font style. Now let's see how to change the font weight. Go to style, below the style. First I want to change, let's say I want to change the unordered list into bold. That's the font weight, unordered list. If I want to make it bold, I put this one in a curly bracket, ul basically, ul unordered list, and then font weight, and then colon, and then bold, semicolon. Okay, now this one appears as a bold color. Bold mean very dark, you know, dark black. It will come like that, or it depends on the color you are choosing. It's become the bolder, you know. And then order list, I'm gonna change the font style. I'm gonna make it to italic. Font style, I'm gonna make it to italic. Okay, and then close the curly bracket. Now we have done the font weight and font style. Now let's go and run this one. I put the name as F something. Okay, F. Okay, if you are not seeing this clearly, I make this thing bigger so everybody can see the code clearly. Okay. Okay, I think this is good enough. This is my code. Okay, if you are not seeing it, pause it and you can watch this. Yeah, our main purpose is to find, what is the font weight and font style. That's what this video is about. Font weight is basically you want to change it to bold, something like that, and font style is you want to make it to italic or some other style, and that's the thing. Like you write this thing in below style. The pattern is whatever you change into that thing, that should be first. I want to change the font weight of unordered list, so I put UL here, and then font weight and bold. And I want to change the style of the order list, so I put OL and then I change the style. Now I put f.html to serve this one, and it's right here. I change this, use HTML, and when I run this, okay, I forgot to do one thing. I should remove this top part because otherwise it looks uglier. Okay, I removed the font and all the other things. Now I put like some different name, FLOLF, okay, .html, and I run this one again. Now you can see we changed the unordered list into bold. That's our font weight, and we made the order list into italic. That's our font style, and that's how we do this kind of things. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.